I'll explain po kung bakit hindi pa nagsa-start ang voters registration in
Sa
the BARM area
Ayan,
for the
okay, please.
BSKE. Yes, kasi marami pong nagtatanong bakit wala pang registration dito. So the reason for that, Sir Nords, is because magkakaroon tayo ng elections, BARM parliamentary elections, on March 30, 2026. Okay? So tandaan po natin, ang sabi ng ating batas, no, is that the BARM parliamentary elections is a continuation of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections. So ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin po nun is ang makakaboto lang sa BARM parliamentary elections are the registered voters for the May 12, 2025 national and local elections. So pag nagpa-register po kasi tayo ngayon sa BARM areas, madadagdagan yan ng voters na hindi registered voters for the May 12, 2025. So right now, naka-on hold yung voters registration sa BARM areas because we want to preserve the registered voters ng BARM for in relation to the May 12, 2025 national and local elections kasi sila lang po yung pwede mag-participate sa March 30, 2026 BARM parliamentary elections. Ayan.
Okay.
The only possible reason that I see na pwede pang ma-postpone, no, or ma-move ulit yung ating BARM parliamentary elections is number one, if someone questions the new districting law that will be issued by the BTA, no, and then the Supreme Court will say it's invalid,
Yes.
no. Number two, it's also possible na ma-postpone siya if the Congress will pass a law that will postpone the BARM parliamentary elections.
Nabanggit yan din.
Yes, so yun yung two reasons.